It's the hopes and dreams of our travelers that we hold with a sacred trust, and we give every amount of effort to exceeding those hopes and dreams, to creating special moments that our travelers never expected. When you embark this ship, you are welcomed by people who have a shared sense of purpose and mission and value. At the christening of the MS Joy, when the ribbon was cut and the bottle went hurtling toward the ship and it smashed and she was finally christened, I not only felt so special myself and so honored, but I thought of the thousands of travelers who will be met by my colleagues on board this very ship. That we have people's hopes and dreams as our responsibility and our honor to fulfill those dreams. When I joined Tauck, I realized that the extraordinary is possible every single day. We have relationships with the best local guides. Europe is available at your fingertips, whether you're in a large city or a small little village. And the sparkling events and extraordinary shore excursions that are really our DNA. We are building our ships to accommodate far fewer people with a higher level of service. And it's just an example of the history of innovation with Tauck that continues with every decision we make. How can we do it better? How can we do it to please our guests? How can we make it a more extraordinary and comfortable experience? And that's our mission, and that's our promise. We firmly believe that how you see the world matters. It's the people on board a Tauck River cruise who wake up every single day excited and energized to share the Tauck experience with our travelers. And that moment in time is so precious, and to be a part of it as a service professional gives people like me an incredible sense of joy.
Subscribe for the world's best cruise experiences.